Hi friends, I'm Shastri, your faculty. आज देखते हैं the reason why some students are successful and why some students are not. इसके दो मुख्य कारण हैं. The first one is maintaining proper discipline and consistency. The second reason is maintaining a proper preparation strategy and revision strategy. First, let us see what is this consistency and discipline. If you see many students क्या करते हैं, they read for 8 to 10 hours for 2 to 3 days, then they don't read at all for 7 to 10 days. That's a blunder students make. You have to read every day. Maybe you read only 2 to 3 hours per day, but आपको हर दिन पढ़ना जरूरी है. This is the first thing that students have to do. I'll tell you a small case that happened in 2016-2017. I went to give a seminar in Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. There I met a student. The student came and told me that he wants to become an IAS officer. He was from a very, very poor background. His mother is the only bread earner in the house. So that student, then I told the student that you come to Delhi, we'll discuss. The student came to Delhi, he prepared with us. Then later on, in the first attempt, he could not clear the exam. But he used to work hard every day. And in the second attempt, he cleared the engineering services exam and joined the Indian Railways. Now he's an officer in Indian Railways. Okay. After clearing the exam, I spoke to him, what is the reason for his success? The same answer he told, sir, I used to read every day 4 hours. So he maintained consistency and discipline. You will find thousands of such cases where students maintaining proper consistency and discipline are highly successful. And this is one of the reasons. And if you maintain discipline, friends, your fear of the exam also will be reduced. You have to do every day in a proper timetable, then definitely you will be more and more successful. Let's come to next point, the preparation strategy and revision strategy. What is this preparation strategy and revision strategy? Preparation strategy means what to read, what not to read. क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है. This is very, very important. This you will learn from experts like us. Second, the other important point is revision strategy. Many students का डर ये रहता है कि subject भूल रहे हैं. They are forgetting the subject. So actually the revision strategy of the students is wrong. Basically students, example, let's take an example that you're preparing for GATE exam. Maybe civil, mechanical, electrical or ECE, computer science, any branch for that matter. GATE में क्या पूछा जाता है? GATE में पूछा जाता है problems. सपोज मेनी स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं, रिवीजन के नाम पे नोट्स लेते हैं और वही नोट्स को बार बार रीड करते रहते हैं, बट नोट्स में से तो क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. सो डेफिनेटली इन गेट एग्जाम और इंजीनियरिंग सर्विस एग्जाम और सिविल सर्विस एग्जाम और द एग्जाम ऑफ योर चॉइस, व्हाट एवर यू राइट, डेफिनेटली न्यू क्वेश्चंस विल कम. सो योर प्रैक्टिस एंड योर प्रिपरेशन एंड योर रिविजन शुड बी ओरिएंटेड टुवर्ड्स द एग्जाम. ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और ध्यान में रखिए. सो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना चाहिए, रिवीजन में आपको खास करके रिवीजन में क्या करना चाहिए, यू हैव टू सॉल्व मोर एंड मोर प्रॉब्लम्स. सो दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स यू एन एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड. बट इफ यू सी द स्टूडेंट्स, दे डोंट फॉलो दिस. They keep reading the theory again and again. Suppose your exam is not theory oriented, reading more and more theory doesn't make any sense. Suppose your exam is theory oriented, you are reading theory, it makes sense. So please keep this in mind. So what you are supposed to do, you need to practice more and more questions as a part of revision. So from our side, what we are planning something called a mini mock gate. What is this mini mock gate? It's actually a collection of some questions which helps you for your revision. So what we are planning is we are trying to do this mini mock gate weekly, once or twice initially, and subsequently will increase the frequency as per the time progresses. So this is the right approach for you to crack the GATE exam or the engineering service exam or the civil service exam or any exam for that matter. This is the correct approach. Be exam oriented. If you are exam oriented, then you will be successful 100%. But if you read everything, okay, I've seen many students, they spend 8 to 10 hours per day, but still they are between 30 to 40 marks in GATE exam. What is the reason? This is the main reason. The exam or lack of exam orientation, lack of the proper strategy, and lack of discipline. So friends, please utilize our resources and be successful. Okay, friends, do like, share, and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you very much, and God bless you.